Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a short clip from my Pluralsight course on how to enhance reports to expose insights with Power BI. We'll be focusing on one feature in Power BI called Conditional Formatting. To watch the full course, head over to the link in the description below. Now let's dive into the video. Back in our demo environment, I have a table showing the total sales of each city that has a store. This is quite a lot of data, and these numbers might not make sense right at the first glance. For example, you might not be able to tell which city has the top sales or which one has the lowest, unless you really take your time and look closely at the data. Well, with conditional formatting, you can easily highlight which cities have the most sales by giving the table a background color or a color font. To do this, you will need to select the visual. Then under the value section, find the column that you want to apply conditional formatting to. In this case, the column here is this year's sales. Click on the down arrow, and there you see the conditional formatting option. Go ahead and select it. You see all the different options you have for conditional formatting. I'm going to go with the background color. Once you select it, you notice the box appear on the screen. This is the box we're going to use to configure conditional formatting. Right now, you can see the minimum color and the maximum color. You also have the option to add a middle color. I'll go ahead and select that. And what this will do is give us a color spectrum from red to green and yellow for in between. And this will be the color that we'll use to easily identify where each of these cities fall in terms of their total sales. Go ahead and click OK. Actually, one more thing before you click OK. At the very top, you might notice that it has the gradient style option. And what this does is it looks at your dataset and automatically determines what scale to put it based on the data value. So if you set the minimum value to a specific color, it will go ahead and place it there based on where it falls on the scale. However, if you wanted more control of the process, you have the ability to create a rule where you might say something like, if the sales number is below X amount, show it as red. If it's over Y amount, show it as green. Let's go ahead and change it back to the gradient option and make sure you select the middle color as well, like we did before. Press OK. And now you see that the total sales column is a bit more colorful than it was before. And with this color spectrum, you can now easily point out which city has the top sales and which ones are in the middle or which ones are in the bottom. And this is how you enable conditional formatting in Power BI. Thank you for watching this clip of my course on Pluralsight. Please head over to the link in the description to watch the full course at pluralsight.com. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.